So, good evening, everyone. And this session that we have all joined in, this session we are going to clear a lot of doubts that we have in our minds about the new new syllabus that we are encountering, new pattern of examinations that have been released by Google, and the pattern is definitely different from what we used to have earlier. But the rest of the things almost 99% are the same. Only the pattern of examination has got different. The rest of the things definitely are same. So आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने I know so many people here are level 1 and level 2 cleared. So can you share your experience with, like, what was the pattern earlier in level 1? Recently भी बहुत लोगों ने appear करा होगा. So what was the pattern like earlier? Can you share?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, please, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Earlier it used to be MCQs and with scenario based, and now as I've learned there are no scenarios. I got in
Yeah.
fact 11 scenarios when I cleared my level 2 exam maybe around 2.5 months back. And then for level 1 almost a similar situation was there. About 24 25 MCQs were there, and most of the MCQs were directly from our skill shop, that training by Google, or very similar to that. And even scenarios require the hands-on understanding and the practice of the Google
Yes.
tools. That is essentially very very required if you are really using that. Theory will generally not work. For MCQs that might work, but when it comes to scenario, definitely you need to have a hands-on. But now I don't know, okay, what type of a changes after no scenario. So that is why I'm present here too.
Yeah. So with no scenarios, scenarios actually means what, for people who haven't understood?
Ma'am,
Scenario.
I know. I have given the latest exam, so that's why I can assure that the scenarios were not there, but basically the MCQs were there. All the scenarios were based on the MCQs only, and that too in the form of matches, drop and
uh,
drag matches.
Drag and drops, matches, then multiple choices. There are so many kinds of questions that were there. So what
But
basically?
ma'am, that level was very difficult to understand. That what kind of situation are they asking for? For example, I was unable to understand that whether in the assertion reasoning portion they were asking for the bookish knowledge of the child, or whether it was the knowledge about the Google part. It was difficult to understand the questions also.
You're talking about earlier or now?
Now, ma'am, now.
Now.
Earlier it was very easier, but now it was unable to understand the scenarios that what they are expecting from us.
Shelja ma'am, they are expecting again the same things. They are expecting us to have a good hands-on knowledge of the apps. They are expecting us to practice all the apps well before we come for the exam. They are expecting us to know which tool is used for what, right? What is the functionality of each tool? What, how we can use the tools to make things simpler in the class. For example, they are going to ask you that I want to turn my class paperless. So what are these options? Mark 3 or 4 options out of 6. How you can do, or what all you can do to make your classes paperless. So these are the things that they are asking. Functionalities included, but the pattern of doing that has differed. It has got changed. It has different. It is now different. That's all. So there are a few things I would like to share with you. First of all, let us go to the new format. Shelja ma'am, did you clear or not?
No, ma'am. It was my first attempt on the changed pattern, so I could not clear that portion.
All right. Okay. No, no problem. No problem. There are attempts and there are ways to appear for that again. So not a problem at all. Let me share my screen. So if you can if you can see my screen, you will see that this is the registration process that we are going to talk about first. All right, this is the registration process. Just a moment. So registration for this is for applying for the coupons and all, vouchers and all. As we all know that if you have vouchers to appear for the exam, then your exam fee becomes nil, right? It is still $10, people. It is still $10, but if you have vouchers, it becomes nil. Then um, you still have to log into your Google account. From the teacher center, you have to create or access your Curriculum account for WebAssessor. You still have to register for the exam. You will get your registration receipt. You will get your registration receipt as well. All right. And you then will launch the exam. Now, here the things are different now. What happens when we launch the exam? When we are launching the exam, earlier we were asked to be prepared to know how the new incognito window worked. We had to go into incognito and we had to appear for the exam from there. Now what happened is there is no incognito. You do not have to have a different email ID and a password to appear for the exam. You do not have to launch the exam through the incognito window. You just get a link in your email saying launch the exam, and you just have to click on that and your exam begins. You are going to work in your normal uh, you know Google windows and everything, no incognito this time, right? Again, as I always say, while I'm doing my trainings also, I always say that you first have to go to teacher center so that you are aware of the kind of MCQs. Now, so it is all MCQs, but what I call is theory, kind of theoretical questions that you get in your teacher center. You have to complete, there are almost 11 units. There are parts of the units as well. All the units, every unit deals with a Google app. They are going to give you the videos and hands-on practice, and they will give you a small test also there. So all the theory based, as I say, questions or MCQs are going to be mostly from the teacher center, as Amit sir just mentioned, and you should be prepared with that before you can appear for the exam. It's not mandatory. मैंडेटरी नहीं है कि आपने यहाँ से करना ही करना है उसके बाद आप एग्जाम दे सकते हो, मैंडेटरी नहीं है, but you should do it before you can appear for the exam. You must, because that helps in doing what? It helps in clearing your concepts. It gives you a lot of windows and videos where you can see how the app works, what is the functionality of the app, how it can be used in the classroom, how educators can use those apps aptly for making their classrooms more student friendly, more interactive and things like that. So that is what you have to do in the teacher center. Log into your account, as I said, from the teacher center, and you have to select the exam. So if I go to Google Teacher Center, we will see. So this is the website for education, edu.google.com, the Teacher Center, wherein we go and register ourselves. Okay, these are the programs and these are the certifications. If you click on level 1, you will see that you are going to be asked to register first, and then we can move on. Because I'm already registered and everything, it isn't asking me a lot of things, but it will ask you to register. For example, if I click on educator level 1, oh god, if you click on educator level 1, it is going to ask you to register. So if you click on register, you will have to select your language. This time This is a new thing. This is a new addition. You will have to select the language in which you want to appear for the exam, and also the language in which you want to complete your form. So if I click on English and I click on OK, it will take me to a place wherein I can start filling out the form. And once you fill the form, this is the login ID, this is the password. You have to fill this form, click on save, and it will take you to a place in the web assessor where you can register for your level 1 exam. If you have the voucher, you have to put in the voucher code, and if not, then please keep your debit card ready to pay, or sorry, credit card ready to pay for the exam, which is, again, I repeat, it is the same amount, $10 only. All right. So this is how you register. I shall be sharing these resources with you later. This is the Criterion account that you create. Then you have to register for the exam. Okay. And this is the process with which you fill out the details. You will get the registration receipt. Once your registration is done, you are going to get a registration receipt from this address. Do not reply at webassessor.com. They will ask you, they will confirm that your registration has been done. And after that, it will take 24 to 48 hours for you to create your exam profile. And with this email address, admin@myedusir.com or .org, you will be able to launch your exam. You just have to make sure that you have 3 hours on your hand to complete the exam. Okay, there shouldn't be any disturbance in between, because the exam is going to be proctored. When the exam starts, they will ask you for your your web camera and everything. So exam is proctored, and when it is provisioned, you cannot reschedule. Once you launch your exam, you cannot reschedule. And from 24 hours after you get this email, you can take your exam within 7 to 8 days. Available for 8 days. The exam is going to be available for 8 days. It is up to you when do you want to launch. And if you are not able to launch and complete your exam in those 8 days, then your exam gets expired. Then you will have to relaunch, you will have to redo everything. All right. So this is about how to launch the exam, how to register for the exam. The process is absolutely same, not much of a difference there. Then what to expect in the exam? So what kind of questions that you are going to get? What kind of, this is very important, because now this is going to be different. Earlier we used to get MCQs also, we used to get drag and drop also. Those who have appeared for the exam in the older format, they know that they have got all kinds of questions. There were multiple choice also, there were everything, there were all the kinds of questions were there. But then after 25 questions of those types, we had scenarios. Now we do not have any scenario, we have this multiple choice question. All right. The first kind of questions that you're going to get is multiple choice, wherein, I hope my screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you're going to get this multiple choice questions, wherein there the kind of questions that you will get here are these are the buttons. First of all, let's see. These are the buttons, because people get confused. This is the reset button, which clears your selection. For example, you find that you have, okay, yeah, Rushali is here. Hi, Rushali. So these are the buttons that you're going to get in each question. Each of the question you're going to get. First is reset. Reset means if you have by mistake selected a wrong answer, and you find that your answer was different from what you had already marked there, what you are going to do is you can click on reset, and the question is going to come back to its original form, right? Then you can go on and select the different option that you thought was correct. Then we have,
Narjit ma'am, sorry for interruption. The screen size has to be increased. There were other comments also. Thank you, ma'am.
right? Is that okay now?
Yes, ma'am, it's okay.
Yeah. So we are going to, the next thing you are going to get is skip. That is, if you want to skip the current question and you want to come back to that question later, you can do that. Or if you feel that, okay, I know this answer, but I'm only 50% sure of the answer, let me mark this answer so that I do not miss out on the answer later on. What you can do is you can mark the answer and click on review later. So this adds your answer to the review queue. You can always come back. Before you submit, it will show you a screen wherein all the questions that you have marked for review are going to be highlighted in blue, and you can go and click on review, go back, finalize, make up your mind, choose the right answer, choose the answer that you feel is right, and then people, you will find that you have to click back on review later to remove that tag of review later. Okay, otherwise your questions are going to, many a times have seen people making this mistake. When they do that, they come back to the review, but again they see that the questions are again marked in blue only, they haven't turned white as per se. You know why I'm saying blue and white? Because this is how you are going to see on your screen the questions that have been marked for review later, or that have the questions that have been already reviewed. So what you have to do is, when you go to that question, आपको जहां लगता है कि मुझे review later करना था, go to that question, make up your mind what is the answer, and then click back on review later, ताकि आपका review later वाला उसमें से tag हट जाए, and then your answer is ready for submission. All right, then you have to come back, and then you will find that that blue box has changed into white. So that means that your answer is final now and you are sure of the answer. And with this previous and next, you can move to the next question or the previous question as per the answers. Rushali, would you like to take up the next one?
Yeah,
Multiple
sure.
choice?
Yeah. So there will be. So hello everyone. I'm Roshali Sheth. I'm a Google certified trainer and GG leader from Mumbai. Okay, so let's come back to what we were discussing, and we'll be chatting about it later.
Yeah.
So there are different types of questions that you will get in a paper. It is multiple choice, as in, so the test entirely has become an objective type of test, right? So the first question that you have is multiple choice question. If you see to the next of it, it's a small italic instruction that is called please select one. This means that this question will have only one correct answer. Okay, so if you see the bullets, the options are given in circular bullets. That means that, again, it's very similar to Google Forms, right? In Google Forms, multiple choice comes as a circular bullets. So it will have only one correct answer. But Google also specifies how many correct answers are there. But if we move next to the next question.
Also, if you mark more than, though it is not going to allow you to mark more than one, but there will be few questions wherein you are going to be instructed as to mark how many answers. So if they ask you to mark 3, and if you mark 4, it will not allow you to go to the next.
It will not allow you the next.
Yeah. So if the question requires you to select 2 or more choices, you must select the number of specified questions in order to move on to the next question. Otherwise, you won't be able to move. So don't trouble your head as to कि मेरे तो mark कर दिए क्यों नहीं जा रहा. You have to read this portion of the
even the smaller text.
Well.
The smaller text, please select 1, please select 2, please select 3. Yeah, otherwise it will not move to the next question at all. And you will feel, why is it not moving next? Why is the next not highlighted? Why am I not able to go? And then we panic.
Yeah,
in exam, we panic, right? So just keep your head cool and read the instructions. So I'll tell you the biggest mantra to clear these exams. Read the question and instruction given clearly. If you read the question correctly, it is very easy to clear this exam. Yeah. And of course, practicing the tool is the most important bit. But while in exam, read the question, read the instruction, and it's done. The next question that we have is drag and drop question. Okay, so if you see the drag and drop question, the icons that we see is completely different. You have to simply, I know it sounds like you have to drag. So it's the example that they've given is this Google tool is on one side and the functionality of that tool is on the other. You have to match, you have to drag the particular functionality to that particular Google tool. Now, make sure that all the functionalities have to be matched. none of the functionality will be left behind, right? It's not no, it's not match the column that we give in school
Yeah.
ki ek, there'll be one option which will be a distractor. No, here all the functionalities will be mapped to any of the given tools,
You
okay,
have
or
to
any of
map,
you
yes,
have to
yes,
map.
absolutely. You have to map each and every option here to the is it going to be Google tool to match with the functionality? Though they are going to say use drag and drop to match, but matching here means you see this 9 dots, this thing, you get that in Google Forms also, right?
Yeah.
You have to just drag it with your mouse and drop it below the tool that you find. Okay, this
Yeah.
option is better fit here. You have to drop it here, and remember, no answer choice should be remaining in this right column. None of the everything has to be
Everything will
dragged.
be mapped. Yeah.
Yeah, everything has
Don't
to
miss, otherwise again the next button will not be
uh,
clickable. It
yes.
will not be clickable again. So be very sure that all the functionality. So any, this is Google tool and functionality. Whichever is the question for drag and drop that you get in your exam, everything will be mapped to the question. Nothing will be left behind. Just remember that. All right. Yeah. The next is,
Another type
this is
of drag and
ordering.
drop.
Yeah, this is drag and drop, but this is ordering. Okay,
Yeah.
this is like a timeline in history that we do. What comes first, and then let. So it's like a flow. Step one, step two, step three. You have to arrange it in ascending or descending order. Again, read the instructions. What you have to do, and accordingly you have to arrange. So I'll give you an example. I want to send a link of Google Classroom in mail. What are the steps to follow? Suppose this is a question, and the steps are arranged in jumbled order. So you have to arrange that in order. So for example, you'll go to Google Classroom, go to the people, then copy the link, come to mail, copy paste. So paste the link and then click on send email. I'm just giving you a flow. This is how you are to arrange your flow. The logical steps that you will follow to do that process. Correct? So it is up and down. You can drag and drop also. You can click on arrow also. It will move up and down. Right?
So earlier, this was in the form of scenarios.
Yes.
Earlier, whatever the drag and drop or whatever the steps were in the form of scenarios. So what you had to use, like for example, Rishali has given the example of how to insert a link in the maybe classroom section, or how to assign or give an assignment to the children in the Google Classroom. So earlier, what we had to do was we had to go to the Google Classroom, we had to create an assignment, we had to copy the link, and we had to mail it to the child. Now we are not doing those scenarios, but if you are not sure of how to do, or if you have not practiced enough, you will never be able to move the steps, or you never be able to create that flow correctly. You will never know which step is going to come first, or what should follow, how the links are going to be created, and you have to create the link first, or you have to go to the email first. Those are the steps that you are going to be aware of, or those are the steps that you are going to come to know of by practicing.
Practicing.
So don't think that practice scenarios नहीं है तो practice नहीं करना है, ऐसे ही हो जाएगा. ऐसे नहीं होगा. There are going to be questions of this kind. So if you do not practice, then this drag and drop is going to be very difficult for you.
Correct. So this is exactly what they mean, that even if it is an MCQ exam, okay, it is going to be tricky for you. So unless you practice, you won't be able to solve this. So they are not making your exam easy. So see, what happens is when we are actually doing it now, we can figure out. We can take some trial and error and do this. Acha, I clicked this, nahi hua, I can try something else.
Yeah.
But this has to be correct. In MCQ, you don't have an option of getting wrong and trying something else and coming back, right? So that's why MCQ becomes much more trickier to solve.
And remember, for this kind of question, you have to move the answer choices that are given on the right hand side by dragging and dropping them next to the corresponding step. You do not have to drag and drop under the step. You have to drag and drop next to the corresponding step. So this is a different kind of drag and drop from this. Here you have to drag and drop beneath, in the same box, as I will say, this grade box. You will have to drag and drop the question answer here, but here you are just going to move it up and down to create that functionality and to create that flow of the steps. So that is different. And again, as I say, if you do not know how to do it, you will never be able to solve or crack these kinds of questions. And yeah, these are the kinds of questions you are going to get. But let's revise it again. One is going to be drag and drop, creating a flow, or giving a hierarchy of the steps. Then we are going to have a drag and drop, where you are going to drag and drop the or match the functionality not only of the Google tool. There are going to be many other things. There can be anything. There can be traditional classroom, there can be modern classroom, there can be digital classroom, there can be
Google
Google
Slides.
classroom,
Yeah,
there
yeah.
can
They
be
map
Google
to a tool.
Slides,
Yeah.
yeah, you Google Forms, anything you are going to get, anything. And here you have to please make
Multiple
sure
choice.
these are the multiple choice questions. You have to read this subtext also, which says please select 1, please select 3, please select 4. You are going to have to select 5 answers also at the time. Howsoever the question asks you, otherwise you will never be able to move on to the next question, and you will keep on worrying your head as to why my मैंने तो
Question
पास
are
कर
moving
दिया
ahead.
तो मेरा आगे क्यों नहीं बढ़ रहा है एग्जाम, तो पैनिक हो जाता है थोड़ा सा. प्लीज रीड एवरीथिंग. And this is the kind of question, what do you call, interface, or the question you will get. These are the buttons that you are going to get, and you can move previous, next, preview, skip, or reset according to how well you know the answer, or are you sure of the answer, and then it is up to you. So what we are going to get is, there are 2 levels. Okay. Level 1, to demonstrate your mastery of Google tools in your classroom, which is fundamentals. And level 2, validate your expertise in advanced technology integration, which is advanced level. You are going to get 35 questions in each. Both of them, you're going to get 35 each. And the question types, which we have just seen, drag and drop, multiple choice, those kinds of questions. And you're going to get 180 minutes, that is 3 hours, to complete your exam. So this is the diagram for that. All right. See, these are the diagram, and these are the kind of the sample questions that you're going to get in your exam.
Najit ma'am, we have a question here. Shall we be able to go to that particular tool for steps to verify? No, we can't.
No, you
We
cannot
can't.
move out of that interface. Otherwise, your exam is going to be cancelled, ma'am. That is
Yeah.
taken as cheating. All right. So if you वो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप टैब खोलोगे ना, तो वो अपने एंड से टैब बंद कर देते हैं आपका. तो ऐसा मत करिए. थोड़ा सा रिस्की होता है ये काम. आपका एग्जाम बंद हो जाएगा अगर if they do take it as cheating. So
They do
let's
it.
not, yeah. So let's not do that. Let's be prepared.
Yeah. We'll be prepared. Yeah. Najit ma'am, you want me to showcase the presentation on how to register for the exams?
I have done that, Trishali.
You have done it. Okay.
I have done that. Now we can, you can, if you can, you can take up the tools or the fundamentals that we have to prepare. Okay.
Okay, sure. So, yeah.
I'll stop sharing my screen.
1 second.
So, yes, Mala ma'am, please.
Ma'am, I have a question. Please solve my problem. Even in an incognito window, if you're going to have one more window open, is that going to matter?
Now we do not have this exam in incognito.
Okay.
Now, no incognito window. It is going to be your main window, wherein you click on the link of the exam, which is there in your mail, and your exam starts in the same window in the different tab, in a second tab. You do not have to change your window to the incognito mode now.
Okay.
Because of the new policies of Google with 18
Yeah.
plus and everything. So we do not
Yeah,
have
and there
any
is
more.
no special login also. So earlier we used to get a special login that they share with us. So for example, my email ID is vrishali.gegindia@gmail.com. I cannot use that. Earlier it was the case that I cannot use that email address. I have to use the email address, login and password shared by them for the exam.
Yeah.
All right.
But now that's not the case. You will be using the ID that you have used for registration.
Good. Okay. Ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Sorry.
There are so many things going on as to exam simple हो गया है कि tough हो गया है. Exam simple और tough में कुछ नहीं हुआ है. Exam का सिर्फ pattern बदला है. पढ़ना उतना ही है. पढ़ना पूरा है और सब कुछ
Yeah.
पढ़ना है. बस.
Correct. So what I'm going to do is what I'm sharing right now is the skill set that is required for this examination. Okay, so we'll be sharing this document with you about what to be done in Google Drive. So Google Drive, Google Docs, so creating a doc, title, adding a link, adding space, adding a comment, all this. So see, these are the steps that we used to do earlier in a scenario-based question. But now these kind of questions will come to you in a multiple choice or arranging in that particular flow in drag and drop. These kinds of question will come. So it's not that you don't have to practice it or you don't have to know that how to add a link. It's okay if you don't know how to add a link. No, you need to know because you might get some question based on that, that in the flow. So for example, in that dragging and dropping, mapping the feature to the tool, adding a link is a feature. You should know that you can add a link in docs also, in slides also, right? So you should know in what question you can map it. Correct? So where is the mapping bit?
And you should know the functionality to the
You
T,
should.
I am telling you, because this is going to be confusing. You can add more resources in slides also, in docs also. So you have to, as Dushali said, you have to read the question very carefully.
Very carefully.
What are they asking you to do? Are they asking you to add the link for the resources, or add the resources, or bring the resources, or टेस्ट द चिल्ड्रन ऑन दोज रिसोर्सेज? तो हर चीज के लिए आपका टूल बदल गया. टेस्टिंग के लिए फॉर्म होता है, प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए स्लाइड्स होते हैं, एडिशन के लिए और भी टूल्स होते हैं, राइट? सो आपका टूल बदल जाता है लैंग्वेज के साथ. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट व्हाट दे आर आस्किंग यू टू डू.
Correct, absolutely right. So like Najit ma'am said, you have to read the questions very carefully, otherwise we can mix up again, because see, collaboration सब में होता है. हम शेयर सबके साथ कर सकते हैं, हम लिंक सब में डाल सकते हैं. So we need to know कि वो लिंक डाल के बाद उसका पर्पस क्या है. Correct? Then only we'll be able to know that functionality of that particular tool. Correct? Yeah. So we'll be sharing this document with you to understand what all in the tool is required. This is like a checklist that if you need to know how to create a form, how to add a video in a form, how to add an image in the form, how to customize color and fonts. Now this is something that is new in the Google form.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes. So yeah. So this is a sheet. Google Sheets is a different level of practice that you need. Adding a graph. See, now adding a graph is not the skill that will be assessed here because there is no task. But what will be assessed here, that if in a task you are said adding a graph or adding a pie chart, that particular feature is of Google Sheets.
And also, what are the steps? So step 1 is open. Step 2 is go to that. Step 3 is click on this
select
button.
The data. Select data.
Click this button, and this button is going to be available here. एक में वो भी confusion है. There was a question, I remember from my exam, there was a question in the theory only saying कि ये जो button है, this is available under tools. That button wasn't available under tools. That button was available under edit. So you have to read the question very carefully. They are going to confuse you, like saying go to edit and add this. No, you have to go to home to add it. So there are going to be two choices about that also.
Yeah, so for example, I have to go in tools. Suppose I want to click on explore button.
Yeah.
So in the step you have to click on, I have to go to tools, go to explore button. Correct? Yeah. So that is also very tricky. Again, like I said, practice is something that will help you to. So for example, there are certain tests that we finish in 15 minutes because we are very much thorough with that. If we want to do, so that's the thing. Practicing will help us to, you do it easily. Google Calendar is a tool, Google Groups, Google Site, YouTube. YouTube is also going to be there. Gmail. So in YouTube, the most famous question that they ask is usually a creation of channel, how to add a video in your channel, what are the steps to add a video in your channel. So what we have done is we have actually done that. Here it will come in a test flow. It can come, it not will come, it can come as a flow. How will you add a video in your channel? Correct? Gmail and so on. So yeah, this is about the checklist. This is the outline. So this is in detail about what will come for each and every topic.
And this is the fundamental training that I was talking about earlier, when you have to go to the teacher center, when you register. After that, you have to prepare. So for this fundamentals, you have to prepare. These are going to be the units. I think we have, yes, ma'am. Reshu, ma'am, we will be sharing this checklist with you.
We will.
I will share this document also with you so that you know that in each of the units, what all, each app is taken up in each unit, and go and prepare that, thing first, because there are so many things which are going to be tested from there as well, right? Yeah. So you have to know the theoretical part, not only the practical. हम जैसे बच्चों को बताते हैं ना, theory भी उतनी important है, तो आपने वो भी prepare करना है.
करना है, definitely करना है. So these are the units. These are 13 units in the fundamental, that is the level 1 exam, and the advanced training outline. So you should know the fundamental plus whatever is here. So you should know about the 12 units that we did in level 1 plus these
That's
units that we are going to do in level 2.
हाँ जी, वो
Okay?
पिछला वाला अनलर्न करके लेवल 2 में नहीं आना है, वो
नहीं,
साथ
नहीं.
लेके आना है सारी अपना नॉलेज और इन्फॉर्मेशन.
Absolutely. You have to bring it again because this is one step ahead. So even if we are using Google Slides, we are going to learn in more detail about how we can
Yeah.
use Google Slides here. And in level 2, it is more of pedagogies also, that how
Yeah,
I can do
yes, yes.
project-based learning,
हाँ.
experiential learning, how can we do blogs to gather ideas. See, so this is more of, so the advanced one focuses on how to use that particular tool in your classroom and how to implement using strategies.
Integration with the
Integration.
so that is integration, technology and pedagogy. So
Correct,
that is
correct.
the integration that we talk about in level 2 in our classrooms.
Yeah, and level 2 also focus on see add-ons. So add-ons, these
Yeah.
are the add-ons that Flubaru, Gubrick. So these are the add-ons that we are going to learn.
Yep.
Okay. So yeah, these are the topics. We'll share the link with you. Don't worry, you don't have to note down anything or click pictures. We'll share this link. Okay. Yeah, so this was a presentation already Najib ma'am has shared with you. Yeah. I'll stop sharing.
Preeti, are you here? Pooja ma'am, Pooja ma'am, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. Pooja ma'am, recently, a couple of days back, she cleared her exam and she
Yes.
has her own set of experience to share with this kind of exam, new pattern. So, Pooja ma'am, would you like to share your experience with our participants so that we are also all prepared? हमने भी 2 साल बाद दोबारा देना है तो हमें भी प्रिपरेशन होनी चाहिए.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure. Otherwise, like everything, both of you, Narjit ma'am, like and Rishali ma'am, everything you guys have already covered up. There is nothing left for me to tell. Hi, but still, like in very simple words, I'll say that it's not that difficult if you are ready with your content. If you're ready with your material, you are learnt. It's not that difficult. The strategy which I used, I would like to share with all of you. It's not mandatory for all of you to use it. It's all up to you, your choice. But what I did, I'll share that. The exam was of 3 hours. I was able to do it in 2 hours. But what I did, each and every question I was putting on
No,
review.
no, 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 please, ma'am. You have to do every question on your own. You have to do every question by your own self. She was, I think you are going to say, okay, you are putting it on review.
Yes, yes, the same I'm saying.
Okay,
The
okay,
same
okay.
I'm saying. I was putting up all the questions on review option. And I
Yeah.
finished off into like I finished off my exam in 2 hours, and after 2 hours, I saw one by one each and every question again very thoroughly, because then I was relaxed that I'm having 1 hour to review my all the questions. Right, I was little relaxed in my mind. So that thing helped me. I guess that thing helped me in making my making me feel that yes, I can go through my all the questions. So this was my one technique which I used through not to lose into like in any sort of panic.
And Pooja ma'am will share with you that they do not allow you to open other tabs when you
Yes,
are
yeah,
appearing for
yeah,
the
they don't.
exam. It is
Yes, yes, they
absolutely
don't.
proctored,
Yes,
and
yes,
you have to be very careful with no voice and not people coming in and out of your room while you are appearing for the exam. So you have to have that those
exactly.
3 hours to yourself.
Can you
Huh.
can't even note down the question. So I'm sure Najib ma'am shared na the NDA wala bit
No,
that
I
is there.
did not. I was,
Okay.
yeah.
In fact,
Yes.
like camera is on. They take the proctor for camera also. Like that camera
Proctored,
is.
I'll tell you what is proctored. When you start with the webcam, they are going to take the picture of your eyes and the movement of the eyes, right? So throughout the exam, they are going to monitor where your eyes are moving. If you move down, if your eyelids are down and everything, they feel, I mean, yes, of course you are doing something hanky panky, and they come to know of it. So you have to look on your screens all the time, राइट दिस इज प्रॉक्टर्ड यू कैन नॉट मूव कोई आपके कैमरे के साथ आके आपका एग्जाम देने के लिए कोई बैठ नहीं सकता दे आर दैट आल्सो दे आर मॉनिटरिंग एंड एवरीथिंग सो प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ दोस थिंग्स तो प्रॉक्टरिंग उसको कहते हैं कि आपके आईज का मूवमेंट और वो सब कुछ वो चेक करते हैं व्हेन यू बिगिन योर एग्जाम you need not type anything Reshu ma'am this
It's
is the
multiple choice, na Reshu ma'am?
you need not type anything here anything you just have to move your mouse or if you are on laptop then there are I mean, if the functionality of the laptop is going to be like what it laptop is all about. So you do not do anything, no typing required, no writing required anywhere. It's all mouse clicks, right? And as Pooja shared, I think it's a beautiful tip कि आप सारे आंसर्स को रिव्यू में डाल दो और एंड में एक एक करके रिव्यू देखो कि मैंने आराम से खत्म करके पेपर कि मैंने सारा आंसर्स ठीक लिखे हैं, मार्क करे हैं कि नहीं करे हैं. So that's a beautiful tip Pooja has shared. I did the same, guys. I did the same.
Yeah,
Don't-
and see, the best what happens is when we start the exam na, at every age, even when I did, and I'm sure when we all give exams, वो exam का एक anxiety होता है. You're always anxious, especially in the first few questions, right? So it is better that we put those questions for review for sure. Otherwise, if you're sure, then it's okay. But those questions, first few questions, have to be put for you because in anxiety or in panic or in excitement of giving exam, we might make a mistake.
पढ़ने में ही गलती होती है.
Performance pressure. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes, Pooja, ma'am, you were sharing
And
something.
one more thing I would share, ma'am. Like I'll share my experience when I started doing like reviewing all the question again. For a friction of second, I couldn't understand. For a friction of second, I couldn't understand that how to reset my answers now, because it was it was not any button was not exactly which was showing that yes you do something, make a change. It was written reset. So I was little in dilemma that if I'll click on the button reset, kahin mera sara paper hi kuch reset na ho jaye, something like that. But of course, yes, you can click on reset, and then that means that question will be visible as you did it, and then you can review it and you can change your option if you feel like. That's
Yeah, the question is going to be visible in its original format, the kind of format that you got when you first saw the question, and then all your answers are going to be erased on reset, and you can mark your answers all over again if you feel
Yes,
that your
ma'am.
answers should be changed.
I gave my exam last Saturday, exactly 1 week back. So this option is very useful, mainly when you select multiple correct answers, or like when you are matching to the functionality where you have doubt, like nahi mujhe fir se dekh kar once I have to recheck again. So that reset question will help only in that. And as Rushali ma'am said, so yes, everybody will have that exam anxiety. So what I would suggest is like don't get stuck with one question for long
Yes.
time. It's okay because initial first 10 minutes you will be in that. You have to get adapted to that exam thing because you are very conscious that this is proctored, is my eye movement proper, that this and all. So whatever it is, and one more thing is like you can't move to next question unless you select some answer. So you select some answer, flag the question, and move on to next question. So one out of 35 questions, definitely there will be some questions where you are very sure about some answers. So you just go on. Once you start answering some questions confidently, later you will become into normal mode. And
Yeah.
after that you can give it. And one thing I have faced is like mine was Windows 10 system and it was a new laptop, but still the webcam did not get activated initially.
Okay.
So I had a problem. I tried lot of things, lot of settings. In every other app it was working, but for Google exam it did not get activated. Luckily, I had a like old system which was with the Windows 7 version. In that I tried and it was working in that and it got activated and I immediately started my exam. So what I would suggest is like if your due date is like by 27th September, please do not try to take the exam on 27th September. Try to take it on 25th at least so that you have time to contact tech support or anything. So that actually my due was 22nd. I took it on 18th. Just in mind keeping that if agar kuch ho gaya to I need some time to just like either my exam thing reset hona hai ya if I have to get a new fresh link or something like that. That is one thing I would like to share from my experience. And apart from that, I have chosen early hours because I have two kids. So I did not wanted to add on any audio or video, someone walking into me between my exam or like. So I chose. So I tried starting around 5:30 in the early morning. But because of this webcam issues and that and all, I was able to start it only around 6:30 around so. So try to plan your time. You pick your time very wisely, that nobody is coming to you and disturbing you at that time. Thank you, ma'am.
To avoid these kinds of problems, your Chrome should be updated to the latest
Yes,
version. So
yes,
please,
yes.
if it is not, then I'll send you the steps also how to update your Chrome to the latest version.
Ma'am, in the
Sometimes
email, in the exam link, what you receive, the first hyperlink will be to update your Chrome. So
absolutely.
if you click that, automatically it will get updated.
So you
And
have to update
I
your
give it in window 10 only, ma'am. I give it in window 10 only.
things happen, ma'am. Things happen. If they have
मैम
to
things
happen,
can
things
happen, कुछ
happen.
भी कहीं भी कुछ भी हो सकता है मैम.
Exactly, exactly.
See, it's technology, right? And technology, I'll tell you, technology knows when you panic. Okay,
Yeah.
especially when you have something. So just before this, I had a session on Nearpod, and my Nearpod stopped responding twice in the session. I was giving the session. So it happens, but the thing is, you don't have to panic. You have to stop and think of solutions that will make you. Even an exam that happens, if there is an error, you just stop for 2 seconds, pause, move ahead, it'll work.
Yeah. It
There is
does.
always a solution. Yeah, there is always a
Rachita,
solution.
yeah.
Yeah.
Rachita, one thing I noticed, one more thing I noticed, that this time we are not having any previous option, button. I couldn't see any previous option that we can just go back and see our earlier question. It was not like that. You'll have to continuously do all the questions. Yes, of course, yes, you can put it on review mode, but we cannot just go back.
Ma'am,
There
you can
was,
go
ma'am.
back
I
to
think
any question. No.
there was.
You can go back to any question only once you have attempted all the 35 questions.
Yes, yes, yes. The
That's
same
what
I'm
she's
saying.
saying. Yeah, that's what
Yes,
she's saying. But
yes, yes.
if I'm not mistaken, in the sample paper per se, they have given that previous button.
No,
They
no,
are
no, ma'am. It
No,
is
showing you
not
ma'am,
the
no,
there.
previous
no,
button.
it was
No, ma'am.
not
It
there.
is not
Wasn't
there.
there?
No,
All right.
No,
ma'am.
no, no. It is not there.
So this is
Only you
another
can
learning.
go. You can go to next. That too only after you attempt the question which is on your current page.
If
I
like
see.
even if you they have asked you that three options are to be corrected, and if you have corrected two options, they give you a signal that three are to be connected.
Yes, yes.
They
Yes.
give you this signal so that you can just do it again.
And how you attempt or how you prepare depends upon you. I mean, यूनिट्स को 15 घंटे लगते हैं, आपने उसमें 30 लगाने हैं या 2 महीने लगाने हैं. It all depends upon what is your speed or how occupied are you. We are teachers, we are
Right.
always occupied,
And just to add
always.
to this, see, as if you're using these tools every day, right?
Um,
You automatically know something. So when you study it, you'll know, how this I know, this I can skip, this I can do. So it completely depends on your usage of Google tools and how much time you have to prepare.
Also, ma'am, it's like always, it's better to set a deadline, because the more you give
Absolutely.
time for yourself, the more your anxiety creeps in, and you will think like, because it happened with me only. I was coming to 10th unit, I was feeling like, अरे मैंने क्या पढ़ा first unit में, मुझे तो बिल्कुल भी याद ही नहीं है. So, and one more thing is like, please do register or do the payment only once at least you have done 10
All.
to 12 units. At least minimum.
Absolutely.
Because
Absolutely.
the moment you do the payment, immediately in next 24 to 48 hours, maximum within next one day, you will get your exam link, and your due will be within just 8 days. So the 8th day will be the last day. So what I have done is like, I have set a deadline for myself. I did all the units. When I was doing 12th unit, I did the payment, and the next day itself I received the exam link. So I gave myself 4 more days, and I did quick revision of all the units, and I did some hands-on, and then I gave it on the 4th day. So I have 4 more days I kept just for in sake any issues come up, just as I shared before. So that is one more thing I would like to add here.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So these are great tips coming from the people who have recently appeared for the exam. So it is a first-hand thing, and
Correct.
don't worry about कि बदल क्या गया है. कुछ नहीं बदला है, सिर्फ पैटर्न बदला और कुछ भी नहीं बदला है. आपने अगर पुराने पेपर्स के लिए पढ़ा है, वही सारा यहाँ पर यूज होगा. That's all.
It is very similar to हमारे CBSE ने भी तो वही किया है ना.
हाँ.
CBSE ने भी थियोरी क्वेश्चन निकाल के MCQ डाल दिया है. बस मतलब ऐसा नहीं है बच्चे नहीं पढ़ेंगे. We have to practice. We have to study the theory. The question will be in multiple choice form. Right?
Absolutely.
That's the only thing that we have to remember. Okay. And we have also shared the link where you can apply for your level 1 exam. Okay, the fees is $10. So you have to select your language and all that. I'm sure Najit ma'am has already shared how to apply for the exam. So yeah, that's about it from our end. Any more questions? Now I think Najit ma'am, we are open to questions, right?
Yes, we are. We are.
We are
Any
open to
more
questions.
questions, please?
You talked about vouchers. So how how to avail the voucher?
Um, there was a time when I was giving out vouchers when there was APAC thing, and these vouchers are given by either the Google for Education certified partners, right? They can provide, and if you are working with an organization that is giving out vouchers, for example, Mahatatva, there were people, I am sure Amit sir will tell us.
Amit sir,
Yeah, Amit sir was one of their participants. So they also give out vouchers. Okay, you come and practice with us, or you come and train with us. And there were vouchers for the exceptional trainees and exceptional participants. Amit sir was one of them. He
Yeah,
might,
exactly. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
yeah.
Mahatatva is one of the Google partner, those who are giving the vouchers. In fact, right now I'm preparing for my GCT training as such. So for that also they are providing with the vouchers.
oh,
Ah,
amazing.
lovely,
Yeah.
lovely, amazing. So, एंड समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस इज जब हम लोग बूट कैंप्स वगैरह करते हैं तो हमको भी गूगल बोलता है कि आप प्रमोट कर रहे हो तो आप वाउचर्स लीजिए, तो आप 10-15 वाउचर्स आप उन लोगों को दे सकते हैं, दोज हु आर वेरी एक्टिव एंड एवरीथिंग. सो couple of months back when we were having GEG APAC sessions in language specific sessions that we were having, we did have vouchers to give away, and we did give away those vouchers to many of the participants who were there. Right now
Okay.
that scheme is over with.
Okay,
Scheme band ho gaya.
this
Yeah,
was a new information, so I was just curious.
Yeah, yeah,
absolutely.
no worries.
You
Good.
know,
Another one, another question is, when you do boot camp, how many do succeed in getting the certificate? Everybody or somebody do fail
no,
and
no,
has to
90%, 90%
20%?
succeed, man.
Yeah, yeah. So in fact, there was one when so as Orange Slates, we had organized a boot
Yeah.
camp with Najit ma'am,
Yeah.
and what happened with one participant, she was not able to clear. So we say, "Kare, yes, so she's a very good student." We contacted Google. Najit ma'am wrote a mail. We contacted them on Facebook, and then we got a result that she had passed.
Okay.
So
या
yeah,
वो भी
that's
होता है, कभी आप
वैसा भी होता
फेल
है.
हो जाओ तो जो भी मेरे पार्टिसिपेंट्स या मेरे ट्रेनीज, अगर एक दो उनमें से फेल हो जाते हैं तो मैं उनको हमेशा कहती हूँ, गेट बैक टू देम, फाइंड आउट इफ यू हैव रियली फेल्ड और नॉट, एंड इफ यू
Okay.
हैव रियली फेल्ड यू हैव फेल्ड.
हाँ.
लेकिन पास तो नहीं हो जाएंगे, लेकिन अगर पास हुए होंगे तो फेल हो जाएंगे. तो जरूर उनको कांटेक्ट करिए वापस एक बार, जरूर
Yeah.
उनसे पूछिए, एंड देन थिंग्स might be in your
Might be.
corner.
And they are very active on Facebook.
Yes.
So Facebook Messenger pe they always reply.
Okay.
So mail they do take time. So when you send them on Facebook, they say that okay, we have received your query on mail, we'll reply there. But they are active. So mail mein they do take some time. They do take a week's time to reply.
Okay.
Yeah, Anandya sir, you have
Thank you
raised
so
your
much.
hand. Yeah, most welcome, Reshma. Yeah. Anandya sir, you have a question.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes, yes.
we can hear you.
Ajit ma'am, Vishali ma'am, thank you so much. And sincere apologies that I joined in a little late actually.
Okay.
So missed out a bit of action, never wanted to. Just have a couple of questions. Number one, if you remember all the boot camps which were earlier organized, which you guys do normally, you do it, it used to be typically on a mechanical mode. Meaning, as in whatever GEG does or whatever GEG local partners does, I mean, you do a great job actually. But I'll tell you from my experience, which happened in Google Certified Level 1, it helped immensely. Why I'm saying this? Because the scenario questions, they were meant as if, we had done a rerun. It was a complete rerun actually. So my question is very specific. In that case, whatever the boot camps which were done earlier, that does it stands really valid at this point of time with the new change in pattern. I hope I could make some sense with my question, because why I'm asking you this, because as such, this is so overwhelming, because I completely agree with Roshina ma'am, because when you reach up to 10th level, you feel that you might have missed the bus actually, isn't it? That what you had done earlier. But yes, I think this question goes to both of you, because I am little perplexed with this. Maybe I have to go through the recording once more. And there's a lot of noise around with this new thing coming in. So अगर आप बहुत अच्छी तैयारी भी किए होंगे ना, तो भी आपको कहीं you will start feeling little cold feet at times. So I really don't know, ma'am. I just wanted to understand that how would you really, if I have to ask you that, what are the 5 points that somebody needs to go through, right? Apart from those technical things, how would you really suggest them to go? बहुत लंबा हो गया ना मेरा सवाल.
नहीं, but इसका crux वही है कि, so like you said, Najib, if you don't mind, I'll take
Go
it up
on,
and then
go.
you can
Yeah,
continue. Yeah.
yeah.
So see, first and foremost thing is that whatever you practice, see, practice is something that you need, right? तो जो edu directory जो उन्होंने दिया हुआ है, there's a Google edu directory where there is an entire course unit wise that they have given. That is a mandatory thing to go through.
Correct.
Okay. And along with that, you need to practice the tools because whatever they are saying needs to be practiced. If you have done that, any format of the paper, if it's MCQ, scenario, anything, you will be able to crack it.
I see.
Okay. The thing is, they have changed the format because there were certain issues coming in incognito mode and this mode and
Correct.
that mode. And that's why they have come back to this, that only MCQ based. They might revise it again soon.
Yeah.
But right now, yeah, they might. They might.
You know, Vishali ma'am, I'll tell you something. You know,
Yeah.
apparently, if you look at MCQ,
Yeah.
ideally, as an educator, if you look at, and I'm not talking from the student perspective, but if you're looking at an MCQ question, then you know, ये सारे answers हैं, अब तो इनमें से कौन सा सही है मुझे बताना है, right? That's what general perspective is.
Yeah.
But ideally, if you compare from the earlier scenario, you were asked to task, you were given on a task actually. So you were being asked, do this, do that, do that. So you didn't have any option, if you remember. Am I correct? Now, if you look at this current scenario, then आपको लगेगा ये तो पूछ ही रहे हैं मेरे से क्या करना है किसके बाद. But that is more difficult because that can be trickier. As Dr. Najib said, that can be very trickier.
Absolutely.
I agree that, as Vishali said, when you are doing, there is trial and error. अरे यार ये नहीं काम हो रहा, पीछे थोड़ा सा दोबारा कर लेते हैं, इसको अंडू करते हैं, दोबारा से ट्राई करते हूँ, या किसी और टैब पे जाते हैं. टैब विद टैब आई मीन फ्रॉम विद इन दैट
Incognito.
राइट. सो कुछ और ट्राई कर लेते हैं, अरे ये मेल नहीं हो रहा, ये लिंक नहीं आ रहा, वापस जाते हैं, दोबारा लिंक क्रिएट करते हैं, वापस मेल में आते हैं, करते हैं. नाउ दैट इज नॉट अ पॉसिबिलिटी इन MCQs. Once you go wrong, you go wrong. Right. So you have to be better prepared with the hands-on practice of all the tools. आप कहीं भी स्टेप में गड़बड़ नहीं कर सकते. Once you are there and it's over. I mean,
Ma'am, I would like to add one point here. MCQ
Please.
can be both dangerous and easy at the same time.
Absolutely.
कहाँ पे easy होता है is like when they are giving you 5 options and they are asking you to select 4 correct answers. One way what you can do is like you can try to find which one is a wrong one, which one is not suiting. That makes it easier. But when it is coming to pick only 1 or 2 options out of 5, it makes it difficult for you because whatever you see you feel like ये भी सही है, ये भी सही है, इन दोनों में से मैं कौन सा choose करूं. This happens. MCQ, they might have removed the scenario based questions where you are doing the task, but they have added the scenario based questions in the form of MCQ. That I would definitely like to add here. So आप ये मत, whoever are going to give now, so don't think that scenario based is not here. So it's okay. I don't have to do hands-on. Scenario based they might have removed, but it is been added in another form, which is like in MCQ you see the options
step
and you
1,
find it.
Step 2, step 3, step 4.
Yes.
So this is one tip that I would like to give you all. What you can do is when you are doing that tool, right? Try to write down steps or write down in a doc or something, that if at all, ask a question to yourself. That for example, if I want to do the same thing, I want to copy a link from classroom to mail. What are the steps? Don't do it. Try to write the workflow of what will you do next. That will help you to think logically. Doing something logically and thinking logically in that way will help you to answer this MCQ better.
Ma'am, it's just like for students how they have in their computer subject. They find it really hard to write the steps, but when they are given hands-on, they'll figure it out.
It depends. It all boils down to your personal preferences also. I am the kind of person who loves hands-on more than click the right answer or click the wrong answer.
Yes.
You give me something, I'll work it out in 5 minutes and I'll give you the response, right? So I am that kind of a person. There are people who will say कि मुझे यहाँ वहाँ नहीं जाना है, मेरे को आता है सब, आप मुझे बताओ पहला स्टेप लिखना है, दूसरा लिखना है, तीसरा लिखना है, they'll make a flow chart and give it to you. So it all comes down to it's not about is this new pattern right or wrong, or is it going to continue or not. It's not about that. It's about how well are you prepared to appear for such an exam. How well are you prepared with the Google tools to appear for such exam, or how much practice have you put in, how much hard work have you put in the practice of the apps that are going to take you through the exam. That's it. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less.
Very well said. Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Yes, Amit sir.
Yes, Amit sir.
Yeah, is this exam is still open book? I mean, can I open the another tab and can go for these solutions? MCQ hai, you can cheat. In level 2, I was stuck in one of the MCQ. In fact, 2 MCQs I could recall. वो old scenario में किया था. But what actually happened, there was a question based on that Google Earth और कुछ चीजें पूछी थी. I had no idea about that. What I did, I opened a new window, new tab. एंड इनकॉग्निटो की ही बात कर रहा हूँ. एक नया टैब ओपन करा, यूट्यूब को ही ओपन करा, उसमें उस क्वेश्चन के कीवर्ड्स को लिखा, एंड इन दैट वे आई गॉट वन 4-minute वीडियो. I watched that 4-minute video and I had the answer with me.
So, you know, again, it comes to how I would appear for the exam. This is not recommended, not a recommended way. I would love to appear for the exam when I know that I am prepared. Sometimes things happen, you do not know it, but there also I would like to go on with the mindset that no, if I know it, I'll appear it. If I do not know, let's leave it. Yeah, let's learn back. And the pattern is still there, sir, to answer your question, but
not recommended. Not recommended at all.
Not recommended. Sometimes कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं कि आप फंस जाते हैं, you know, आपका स्टेटस भी कैंसिल होने पे आ जाता है. आई नो एन एजुकेटर हु ट्राइड दैट एंड शी वांटेड टू गेट स्मार्ट विद एवरीथिंग के क्या है, मेरे को किसी ने, मैंने कहीं बूट कैंप में सुना था कि आप एक आध टैब खोल सकते हो, आप ये कर सकते हो. आई सेड डोंट डू दैट, बट शी सेड नहीं कोई बात नहीं. एक you know, she was specifically, her tabs were closed from the back end and she got a mail saying that you are barred from appearing for these kinds of exams ever again because you were cheating on it. So बच गए तो बच गए, अगर पकड़े गए तो प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. So not recommended at all. Whenever I'm doing my training sessions, I always say आप 3 की जगह 4 महीने लगा लो प्रिपेयर करने में, पर 15 से 20 दिन लगा लो प्रिपेयर करने में, but not recommended. Still there, not recommended. But
the only question is, in the old scenario, old pattern, the open book was allowed. So what is the meaning of this term open book by Google?
New tabs, that's all.
Yeah, so if that is allowed, so I can go and search for anything.
No, but you know what, when you see the boot camps and when you see other things, when you are in a trainer kind of a group also along with them, the discussions are there. So the हमारा motive क्या है? Learning, right? Exam, as I said in the when I began this session saying, learning is a more beautiful journey in these kinds of things than examinations.
Yeah, very true.
Right? So हमने अगर हमारा prospect या हमारा motive क्या होना चाहिए, हमें आना चाहिए सब कुछ. एग्जाम में हम लोग कर लेंगे, 80% ही तो चाहिए, अगर एक आध गलत भी तो हो जाएगा तो भी हम लोग 80% लेके तो पास हो जाएंगे. So that is not a problem, but learning is a more beautiful journey which we should be aiming at. You should know things. वैसे तो बहुत सारे ऐसे बैचेस भी हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें अवेलेबल हैं आजकल. आप वीडियोस नहीं देखो, सीधा जाके फॉर्म अपीयर कर दो क्योंकि मुझे आता है. But what is the fun of taking those? Your educators are doing. I would like to congratulate you. You are inspiring them to earn badges and certificates and beautiful learning that you are doing. with every educator in your GEG group. So this is what is beautiful. I felt so good the other day when everybody started sharing their badges and everything. I wanted to give them, and I did give them a site also, है ना, a website
Yeah,
के
that's
आप और
wonderful.
badges लेके आओ, आपको इतना मजा आ रहा है badges लेने में, और learning करो. There are plenty full of things there to learn. So my motive personally is always learn first. We will think about things later. पहले लर्निंग होनी चाहिए, आना चाहिए आपको सब कुछ. एक आध इधर उधर we can see later, but learning is more important. But yes, Google says it's an open book. They shouldn't be saying that. If they really want people to learn that, don't encourage them. That's what I believe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
got it.
Yeah, and the bottom line is prepare and don't panic. Be stress free. See, if you're prepared, then you're not stressed. Right?
Yeah.
So just prepare yourself properly and then you're done.
Yeah, done. और कभी कभी किसी किसी क्वेश्चन में अड़ जाते हैं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, हम जितना भी प्रिपेयर करके जाएंगे कुछ कुछ हो जाता है, बट देयर आर थिंग्स वी कैन मैनेज.
Yeah.
कुछ कर लेते हैं.
Yeah, वो हो जाता है.
So yeah, any more questions? 80, of course, Dimple. It's only 80 that we require to pass.
Great.
There is no change in the fees, right, ma'am?
No.
For both the levels.
For both levels.
Kirti ma'am, please, Najit.
Go on, Vishal.
Yeah, so there are limited number of chance, but there is a gap that you can take. So after you attempt the first question, suppose you don't clear, then there is a 15 days gap that you have to take. Then you can give the second. If you don't clear the second, then you have to take, I think, one month or something.
2 months.
2 months,
60
yeah.
days.
60 days gap that you have to take. So there is no limit on the number of tests, but the gap keeps on increasing. So it tells you to prepare and give the test. That's it.
Yeah, any more questions?
Just a humble suggestion, madam, that since the pattern has changed, and the kind of job that you guys are doing, especially who are stalwarts, who have been into this, so you may come up with some, sample pattern of questions to have maybe we could have a test, and then. It is understood that we are not supposed to reveal, but we can always have a pattern of question to get to practice, because that which might not be otherwise supported by, by doing the Google modules, ideally.
I'll definitely try, sir. I'll definitely try. Definitely.
Thank you very much.
Maybe we can come up with a mock test, a mock sample paper.
Because I'll tell you, Najit ma'am, because the day I get through this, the first thing I'll get onto is to prepare a sample question of level 2. I mean, with the changed pattern.
Absolutely awesome.
Because that might help others. That's what.
Absolutely. And that's what these communities are all about. That's what GEGs are all about. Helping educators, getting inspired, inspiring, sharing, learning, depending, and making learning all the easier and beautiful for everyone. I know educators. मेरे अपनी training में बहुत सारे, अब तो I have trained more than 600 teachers now. In those trainings, I have seen teachers who did not even know how to open or go to this more options, and login भी नहीं करना आ रहा था. And today they are sharing such beautiful samples, and they are sharing beautiful presentations that they are making, or the things that they are doing in the class. So that is something which is
really
more rewarding for all of us.
Yeah, and there's one suggestion. So while we are preparing, right? See, of course, we'll try to create mock papers that you can solve. But while creating, so we give this assignment to students as well, right? Try to create your own questions.
Yes.
Try to create MCQs.
I was about to say that.
And we have this community, we have this GEG community. Why don't you post these multiple choice questions in the group? They're saying that, okay, who can answer this? This will also help you. So as students, when we create questions, we always want to create challenging questions for others, right? So it'll be fun to see these questions. And
or I can do one thing more. I can share a document.
I was just going to tell you that.
And I'll share it with everyone. And whosoever feels like putting in a question
That
or
would be great,
you
madam.
know, yeah, we can do that. Of course, that's a
I'm
great
I'm just
idea.
creating that
Yeah.
document
So
right
let
now.
the leaders take the lead. We'll follow the suit, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that. Panna ma'am, did you want to ask anything?
Yeah, Panam raised her hand, no?
Yeah, she did. Maybe it was by mistake or something.
Okay. So I'm sharing a document here. Okay, and it's in the same folder that I have shared earlier, but I'm also sharing it here. Just give me one moment. You can start creating questions here. We all will create questions for each other. Let's do this.
Trainer assessment has not changed, Panna ma'am. No, that's still the same. We haven't got any news on trainer assessment changing.
No, it has not.
I know Amit sir, Panna ma'am, they all are preparing for trainer assessments now.
Yeah,
They have
yeah.
cleared level 2.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Great. So let's so of course we will be working on the questions, but let's get questions from each other. It'll be a great collaboration tool that we can create using that document.
So, Grushali ma'am, it means as of now it's a blank document.
It's a blank document.
Yeah, wonderful.
I'll start creating.
A
I'll
blank
start putting
slate to
in.
start with.
Yeah,
A blank
I'll
slate.
start. We'll start.
Let's start
putting in.
something fresh.
And also, Rishali has shared that folder with the resources. I am going to retrieve that because we are not as trainers. We are not allowed to share that as yet.
Oh,
We will recreate it in our
Yes.
own format, and we will share that folder.
Okay. Yeah.
Right?
Sorry. Yeah.
We'll do
Yes,
that.
so lovely,
No
madam.
problem. No
Thank
problem.
you.
No problem.
Sure.
We will do something with that, but you will get all the resources. That's a promise.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Great. I think we are at the end of the session. If there are no more questions, then we can.
I thought this session was going to get over in half an hour because there wasn't much, but I mean, it's got extended, and I really feel so very proud of my fraternity. I feel so very proud of my fellow educators when they come up with the suggestions, when we are all brainstorming and sharing, and so many beautiful thoughts are just
Yes.
floating across the screens and in our minds. And I mean, as if we are all together and brainstorming. So it's a beautiful feeling here. Beautiful.
And I think that's the beauty of Google, right? It always tries to collaborate, to
collaboration.
create, to think out of the box, discuss, brainstorm. I think that's the best part that we do together in these communities that we meet.
Absolutely. So yeah,
Great.
very soon we are going to have all present on the screen as level 1 educators or level 2 or those who are appearing for trainers. We soon want you to see, we want you to be trainers, and of course we are going to share each other's what do you call, all these certificates and badges, and everything is going to go on, but the process is beautiful. Fall in love with the process, everything else will fall into.
Awesome. Love what you do, and it'll be easy for you to do. It'll not be a burden.
And let's start a document for this also. We are going to create one-liners for motivating each other. Like Amit sir motivate करते रहते हैं ना सबको. गूगल की इतनी information हम लोग को हो चुकी है, गूगल वालों को नहीं होगी जितनी अमित सर ने हम लोग को बता दी
So
है.
Amit sir every day used to share one fact.
हाँ.
Every morning at 7:30 or so, जल्दी भी आ जाता था कभी-कभी कि fact about Google and some really interesting facts.
Very interesting. I mean,
Very interesting
आप लोग को
facts.
लगता था कि अरे यार ये तो कभी मुझे
पता ही
ऐसा
नहीं
लगता
सुना
था कि गूगल वालों को भी पता है जो अमित सर को सब पता है.
Amit sir really amazing facts he
amazing,
used to share.
amazing. I mean, इतना effort लेना भी to educate others. I think the effort is amazing.
Effort.
Really.
The thought and the effort.
Yes. Both are. are. चलो मैंने वो facts share कर दिए हैं सारे. Please, people, go and read through those facts. They are real amazing.
Really amazing
good.
facts. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Great. We'll click a nice picture before we end this session. If you can switch on your cameras, it'll be really great. Oh, okay. Thank you. If you're comfortable.
Yeah, if you're comfortable, please do that.
Yeah, there's no force. If you're comfortable, then we can click a nice picture. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for spending your evening with us. And we hope that this session was helpful. And we want to see your certificate soon.
Absolutely. Tag us, tag GEGs, tag
GEGs.
everybody, and please, even if it is not tagging, get a certificate. That's more important.
Absolutely. Great. Thank you, Najeeb ma'am. Thank you so much.
Let me stop the recording, and yes, you may leave the meeting
Yeah.
as I'm doing so.